Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up a TV lock on your TCL 32V5C TV. First, locate and press the gear button on your remote control, then go to System Settings in here, go to TV Lock and enter the default password. The default password, at least in my region, is 1234. Maybe it's different for you, but first try 1234. If it doesn't work, try 4 zeros or 4 ones. Then press OK. And after that, you can change the password by going to Change Password option. Then provide your new password in here and confirm it in the next field, then press OK and the password will be changed. Just wait for a moment. After that, we can lock channels with this password by selecting the channel option, and then if you have some channels on the list, you'll be able to lock them. Then you can also set the parental rating. So go to this menu, go to H rating, and then select the H, and all the programs that are meant to be shown for people older than your selected age will require a password to be entered. You can disable this feature by selecting None. You can lock inputs in your TV with the with the following option, and you will see that some input is locked with a password when you see the lock icon next to it. Then you can also lock some applications by going to App Locks, switching this toggle to the right, and then selecting either to restrict all applications with this one option, or restrict some specific applications by navigating to them and pressing Select button on your remote control. You can also lock TV buttons by switching this toggle to the right. You can lock channel scan to prevent new channel scans, and so that your channels don't rearrange. You can also lock max volume. So just set the max volume level, and if you will try to increase the volume level above this value, you will have to provide a password to do that. And yeah, that's basically it. If you want to reset your password and all the settings that you provided in this menu, select Clean All and then press OK. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.